Here's how to make a Shamrock Shake at home. We're going to start with 2 cups of milk. Right to the line. Next, we're putting the whole tub of vanilla ice cream in. I'm scooping it in because I thought if I put the whole tub in at one time, it wouldn't blend. Now that we have our mound of ice cream in there, we're going to add some food coloring and our peppermint. How much?
Hands are up, but you do you.
We like green. Next, we're going to top it with whipped cream. Here it is, our homemade Shamrock Shake. Check the comments below for our recipe. Cheers!
It's 2 cups of milk and a whole tub of vanilla ice cream.
Not a whole tub of that. You're kidding me. Oh my Lord.
The TikTok people make it.
Oh my gosh. You think this is going to work?
Just, okay, just stop scooping it now. We can just act like it's little thing.
It's falling over. Wow, doesn't this look great?
Whoever edits this is just, it's gonna be Brandon. He's gonna be dying.
What's this called?
Shamrock Shake.
What's this called?
Go cheers and then just go to drink it.
Oh, great.
How is it?
It's delicious. Until next time, follow us for more. Happy St. Patrick's Day.